I'm going to talk about upcoming patterns. So let's start from this hours. So Wyerton, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Dana Beach, South Bay, Midland, Barrie, Virginia, Beverly Hills, Coburg, Newmarket, Stouffville is possible, but Orangeville, Port Elgin, Hanover, Hopes Bay. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Skip Oaksbridge. So Uxbridge it could be, but this actually also Uxbridge doesn't count. So let's go to next hours. So 4 p.m. actually. So okay. So Collingwood, Palm Beach, Barrie, Georgia, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, Newmarket, Stouffville is possible. So it's gonna get some. Not done yet. Port Elgin, Hanover is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Coburg. So let's go to 7 p.m. So Collingwood, Barrie, Georgia, Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. Don't do nighttime hours. So 7 a.m. So Lion said, Bay, Wyerton, Collingwood, Palm Beach, China Beach, Barrie, Hamilton, Burlington, parts of Oracle, Port Elgin, Hanover, London. It's going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 a.m. actually. So Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, China Beach, South Bay, Midland, Orlando, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Scarborough, Stouffville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara Falls City. It's going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's do lines at Bay, Whiteton, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, London is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m., then 4 p.m. So, Lions Head, Hopes Bay, Whiteham, Port Elgin, Hanover, Salt Lake Bay, Hamilton, Niagara on Lake, Niagara Falls City. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to Oakville. Oakville is also 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So I skipped. So Mississauga, Brampton, parts of Oakville, down to Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Orangeville, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Tana Beach, Midland is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. So let's go to 4 p.m. actually. So Collingwood, Palm Beach, Tana Beach, South Bay, Midland, Orlando, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Peterborough, Niagara Falls City, parts of Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, so Coburg, Peterborough. Those seats are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Belleville is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, including Coburg actually. So let's go to next hour. So Orlando is going to get 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour, which is we could do 10 p.m. So so 10 p.m. is 0.25, that doesn't count. So not gonna do 10 p.m. So 7 a.m. there is nothing else. So 10 a.m. So downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill borderline, Brampton, Orangeville, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So Whiteton's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. So Lion said, oh, Bay is different. So Lion said 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Hopes Bay is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. So London 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara on the lake 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Scarborough snowfall is gonna get some 0.25 of snowfall. Down to Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Mississauga, right? So Brampton is gonna get 0.25 millimeters snowfall, including Orange Hole. So Oakville, parts of it. Hamilton is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to Coburg. This is nothing. I'm not gonna do that. So let's go to next tower, which is 4 p.m. actually. So London, downtown Toronto, Scarborough, parts of it, parts of Oakville, even the line's wrong, please. Niagara on the lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, Belleville, Georginia, Barrie, Orillia, Palm Beach, Tiny Beach, Salt Bay, Midland, Line said those seeds are gonna get calling, but those seeds are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, so Y10 0.25, while Owens skip that, so parts of Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, Richmond Hill, parts of it. Brereton is gonna get 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, so Newmarket, Orangeville, Stouffville, Scarborough, Newmarket, Orangeville, Stouffville, Scarborough, and Richmond Hill. So it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain, including local Hamilton. So Coburg is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. Peterborough is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. So parts of Oakville is gonna get some same amount of precipitation, but it has different precipitation. Like parts of Oakville is gonna be 0.25 millimeters of sleet and snowfall. So Oshawa is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall slash sleet. Uxbridge is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Actually, sleet most of the time. So parts of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall with some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall and 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to Port Elgin. Port Elgin, Hanover is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Though, so Beverly Hills is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow free sleet. So Barrie, Orillia, Georginia is 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So London, parts of Niagara Falls City, no, Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Niagara on the lake is going to be 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Scarborough mixed with sleet. Most of it is sleet. Scarborough is 0.25 millimeters of sleet. Most of it. There's a bit, some of parts of Scarborough is going to be 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Mississauga is going to get some more sleet, like 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, with some parts going to get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Brampton is going to get some. For now, it's like 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. No, 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Orangeville, Newmarket, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Hamilton, parts of Oakville. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. No, it's going to be freezing rain. So, in parts of Oakville again, it's 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So let's do line set, Bay, Wyerton, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Tiny Beach, Salt Bay, Midland, Orillia. It's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Barrie's gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Boy, Elgin Honor is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next towers. So it's gonna take a while. So it's covered. So between it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain. So that's actual precipitation. So skip 10 p.m., 10 a.m. because that's thing up. So Collingwood, Palm Beach, Tiny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Orillia, Barrie. So Coburg, Peterborough, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Niagara Falls cities. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 10 a.m. There is zeros. So let's go to 1 p.m. There is nothing else. Let's go to 4 p.m. There is nothing else. Let's go to 7 p.m. Just final day. Final after every day, there is nothing. 10 a.m. there's nothing. So 7 a.m. there is nothing else. So 10 a.m. there's nothing else. 1 p.m. there's nothing else. 4 p.m. there's nothing else. 7 p.m. there's nothing else. So let's talk about our upcoming temperature patterns. So not doing nighttime temperatures because that's a cold. This is 70 and warm is 3 p.m. London -6, Whitehall -6, Collingwood -8, -6 Newmarket, -7 Stouffville, down to Toronto -4, Brampton -5, Mississauga -4, Oslo -8, Uxbridge -8, Peterborough -9, Coburg -8, -10 Belleville, Port Elgin -6, Hanover is going to be -6 degrees. So let's do Niagara and I think -5, Niagara Falls Cities -7, Hamilton -4, Holyoke -4, and local Bournemouth -3. So Palm Beach is actually going to be -9. Thunder Beach is -7. Solid Bay is going to be -10 degrees, -9. Orlilla is different. So Georgina is going to be -7 degrees. Beverly Hills is -8 degrees. Barrie is going to be -9 degrees. Orlilla is going to be minus. So Orlilla, no, that's going to be different. So Hope's Bay is going to be -6. Lions Head -6 degrees. Orlilla is going to be -12 degrees Celsius. Orlilla, Midland is also -11 degrees. So actually, -12 is actually is Midland. So let's go to Orangeville. So Orangeville is going to be you have to erase something. So that is so -5 is in Orangeville. So those are the cities. Let's go to 3 p.m. So London. So London is going to be -4. Whitehall -6. Collingwood -6. Newmarket Orangeville is -5. -4, Orange was Dover -4, Downtown Toronto -2, including Mississauga locals. So Brampton -3, Hamilton -1, including locals. Niagara on the Lake -2, Niagara Falls City -3, Uxbridge -7, Oshawa is -5, Peterborough -7, Coburg -5, Belleville -6. Good spot. So Port Elgin -5, Hanover is going to be -6. Palm Beach is going to be start again. So Palm Beach is actually going to be -7 degrees. Thunder Beach -5. Solid Bay is -7. Midland is going to be -7. Orlilla -8. Barrie -8. Georgina is going to be -6 degrees. Beverly Hills -7 degrees. Halls Bay is -6 degrees. Lions Head is going to be -7 degrees, 6 degrees. So Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be -5 degrees. Hanover is -6 degrees. So Beverly Hills is going to be -6 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. The coldest hour of the day. So London -3, -5 Whitehall, -5 Collingwood, Newmarket -5 Stouffville, -5, -3 Scarborough, Downtown -2, Brampton -3, Mississauga -2, Hamilton -2, Niagara on the -5, 3 -5 Niagara Falls City, Oshawa -5, Uxbridge -8, Peterborough -11, -7 is in Coburg, -12 is in Belleville. So let's go to Boyles. In Boyles, -4, Hanover is -5. Palm Beach is going to be like -5. Thunder Beach is going to be -4 degrees. Thunder Beach is -6. Midland -7. Solilla -9. So Barrie -6. Georgina is going to be -5. Beverly Hills is -5. So 6. So let's go to Orangeville. So Orangeville is actually -6 degrees. So let's go to next tower. University Hills -3 degrees. So let's go to 3 p.m. Whitehall -1, Collingwood -2, London -0. Port Elgin 0 degrees, Hanover is -1 degrees, Newmarket, Orangeville, Uxbridge -3, Stouffville -2, Scarborough -1, Downtown Toronto -1, Mississauga 0 degrees, Brampton -1, Hamilton minus 1 degrees, 1 degrees in local. Everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degree. Oshawa is about 2 degrees, -2. Coburg -1. Peterborough -4. Belleville -3. So let's do Orangewood -3 is done. So Palm Beach is actually going to be -3 degrees, -2 degrees. Thunder Beach is a -2. Solid B -3. Midland is going to be -4 degrees. Orlala is going to be 5 degrees. -6 degrees is in Orlala. So let's go to next hour. Going to take a minute. So it's going to go to 7 a.m. 7 a.m. actually. So London -5, Whiteham -2, Collingwood -3, Newmarket Orangewood -3, Stockport -2, Scarborough -2, Downtown London -1, Brampton -2, Mississauga is going to be -2, Richmond is going to be -2 degrees, Oshawa is -3, Uxbridge is -3, Coburg -3, Peterborough -5, Belvoir -6, everywhere in Niagara Falls -5, Hamilton -5, Oakville -5. This warm, coldest, the warmest is actually going to be -3 degrees. So it's going to be -2 actually. So -3 is the most one. So Hope's Bay -2, Lions Head -1, Port Elgin -2, Hanover -2. Palm Beach is actually going to be -2 degrees, Thunder Beach -2 degrees, Solid Bay is -3, so Midland -3, Barrie -3, Georginia is going to be -2 degrees, Beverly Isles going to get -3. No, it's going could be -3. So Beverly Hills is -3 also. So let's go to next hour. It's going to take a while. So White Hands 1 degrees, Lionshead, Bay, Boyles, and Hanover is going to be 1 degrees, including London, Brampton, Delta, Toronto, Mississauga is 1 degrees. 1 degrees, Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls City is -3 degrees, 3 degrees. So still full going to be 0, 0.5. Scarborough, Mississauga 1 degrees. Mississauga is 1 degrees. So Richmond is 1 degrees. So Newmarket, Orangeville -1. Uxbridge -1. Oshawa is 0 degrees. -2. Peterborough, Coburg -0 degrees. Belleville 1 degrees. Collingwood -1. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay -1. Midland is going to be -1 degrees. Orlando -2. Barrie -1. Georginia -1, Beverly Hills -1. So -1 is also it's going to be 1 degree. It's actually Hamilton also. So those cities are going to get some 1 degrees. So let's go to 7 a.m. Whiteham 0 -1, Collingwood 1 degrees in London, Brampton, Downtown Toronto, Mississauga, Richmond Hills, Scarborough is going to be 1 degrees, 1 degrees in Hamilton, everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degrees, Oshawa, Coburg is 1 degrees. Still for 0 degrees, orange was also the -1, Uxbridge, Peterborough -2, -1, Belleville. For Elgin 1 degrees, Hanover is 1 degrees, so Barrie is -1, Georginia -1, 0 degrees, Beverly Hills is 0 degrees, Orlando is going to be 2 degrees, -2 degrees in Midlands, so Solid Bay is -1, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is 1 degree, 0 degrees, so Lions Head or Bay is 1 degree, So let's go to next tower. It's going to take a minute, so I can get it easily. So 3 p.m. So London 1 degrees, Whitehall 1 degrees, Collingwood 1 degrees, Newmarket Orangeville 1 degrees, Stockport 1 degrees, Downtown Toronto 2 degrees, Brampton 2 degrees, Mississauga 2 degrees, Uxbridge 1 degrees, Oshawa is 1 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees, Coburg 1 degrees, 2 degrees in Coburg, 1 degrees in Belleville, Niagara on 2 degrees, Niagara Falls is 1 degrees, Hamilton 2 degrees, Oakville 2 degrees. Lionshead, Bay 1 degrees, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, or it's gonna be 1 degrees. 2 degrees is actually Midland. So Orlando, Barrie, Georginia, Beverly Hills is gonna be 1 degrees. For else in other words, 1 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Just more. So let's go to 7 a.m. So Whiteham -2, Collingwood -4, London -1 Downtown Toronto, parts of Scarborough 0 degrees, parts of Scarborough also 1 degrees. Mississauga 1 degrees. Parameter with 0 degrees, measurement 1 minus 1, so for minus 1, new marker minus 1 minus 2, audience was minus 3, minus 2 actually, workspace minus 1, Oshawa minus 1 degrees in Oshawa, 1 degrees in Coburg, Peterborough 0 degrees, Melbourne 1 degrees, Hamilton 1 degrees, Oakland minus 1 degrees, Niagara like 2 degrees, Niagara Falls Cities 1 degrees, so Hope's Bay is going to be minus 1 degrees in line set, so minus 1 is in Georgia. Beverly Hills is minus 2 degrees. Betty is going to be minus 4 degrees. So minus 3 actually. So Betty. Olilla is going to be minus 2 degrees. So Palm Beach is actually going to be different. So let's actually do this. Minus 3 is in Palm Beach. Thunder Beach is actually minus 1 degree. Solid Beach is actually going to be minus 1. So Olilla and Betty. Minus 3 is in Midland. And Olilla is already corrected. So Boyelton. So Boyelton is minus 1. Hardware is going to be minus. It's going to take a while. So it's actually minus 3 degrees is in order last. So 4 p.m. actually. So London minus 6. No, 6 degrees. Bytown 3 degrees. Collingwood 4 degrees. Newmarket 2 degrees. Orange was actually 3 degrees. Topher 2 degrees. Copper 3 degrees. Dada 4 degrees. Brampton for 3 degrees. Sissaga 4 degrees, Hamilton 5 degrees, Niagara on the Lake minus 7 degrees, minus no 6 degrees and 7 degrees is Niagara on the Lake. So Niagara on the Lake, 7 degrees is Niagara Falls City, 6 degrees, Wilkes-Barre, Joshua is 2 degrees, Coburg, Peterborough is 2 degrees, Balboa 1 degrees, so Barrie is going to be 2 degrees, Georgina is 2 degrees, Beverly Hills is 3 degrees, 3 degrees. 2 degrees, no, 3 degrees is in Beverly Hills and Georgina. So Honolulu is 2 degrees, so Boy Elgin 2 degrees, Honolulu is 3 degrees, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Beach is different. Palm Beach is 3 degrees, 2 degrees is in Thunder Beach, Solid Beach 3 degrees, 2 degrees. Midland is going to be 3 degrees, so let's go to Oakville 5 degrees, go warm is, that's warm is cold, this is going to be 4 degrees, so give me 3 degrees actually. So this is the end of the video. So